Hello, this is Amy here with Whimsy Stamps. I have another project using the Doggie Friends Valentine stamp and die set from the January 20th release. I've already stamped out the sentiments in black ink and colored in the doggy images with Copic markers. Along with the Doggie Friends Valentine set, I'm going to be using two dies from the Big Boo Boo Slimline die set. I cut the heart and the lips from Fun Foam and will be using these as stamps. The image is not crisp, but instead is distressed, which will give a nice background for my card today. I'm going to be using the heart stamp to give an ombre effect to my card. This stamp will fit 4 hearts across on an A2 size card and 6 hearts down for a total of 24. The first row will be dark red, and each subsequent row will be a little bit lighter. I like the ombre look as I feel it gives some interest to this card background. I am stamping all my hearts, starting with a dark red ink, moving to a lighter red ink, to a pink ink, to a lighter pink ink, to a peach ink, and then finally to a light pink peach coral ink. I like how the heart colors go from very dark to very light on this card base. I will trim the card panel down and then attach it to a pink top folding card. I then will attach the silly doggie from the Doggie Valentine's Friends set, and then I will add on the sentiment that says, "My Funny Valentine." Thank you for joining me today on the Whimsy Stamps channel. I hope you will try this technique of using Fun Foam to stamp a background. Check out some other videos and leave me a comment if you have ever stamped with Fun Foam, and have a crafty day.